Good evening and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for liking my previous video. And if you haven't watched my video yet, I would request you to please go ahead and do that, as I have made a video upon how to install an Amazon Fire Stick on your TV. In this video, I have found some hidden features. I'm gonna show you one after another. All you have to do is you just have to keep watching this video thoroughly to have an understanding how you can use this trick or hidden features. And if you're new to this channel, request you to please go ahead and subscribe to this channel. If you like the video, please give it a like and please hit the bell icon so that you can start getting the notification of my upcoming videos. Thank you. To start with, I'm going to talk about that how you can use your smartphone to control your Fire TV stick. In case your remote is not working properly or maybe the battery is drained out, you can go to Google Play and download an app called Fire TV Remote, and you need to pair that application with your television. So there's going to be a code is going to be shown on the screen, on the TV screen. You need to put that in and your smartphone is paired and it's going to act like a remote. So the best part is it has voice control and a keypad to make your search easy. When you are switching from one app to another, the previous app still runs in the background unless you stop the app individually. This activity helps to create more bandwidth in your RAM and makes your device work flawlessly. So in order to stop a particular application, you need to go to applications from settings and you need to click on the desired application and you hit the application and click on force stop. This is a very useful feature called HDMI CEC. Let me explain it to you briefly. How does it work? If you have a TV where set-top box, gaming console and Fire TV are connected to 3 different HDMI ports and you want to switch from set-top box to Fire TV, you can press the home button from Amazon Fire TV remote to send a signal via HDMI cable to switch from set-top box to Fire TV. That means without your TV remote, you can also switch from one port to another. However, your TV needs to have HDMI CEC feature also. Therefore, to turn on the feature, you need to go to display and sound setting and turn on the last option. If you have Bluetooth devices like soundbar, headphone, keyboard, mouse, etc., you can pair those with your Fire TV stick. Go to remotes and Bluetooth devices in settings and click on other Bluetooth devices to look for available Bluetooth devices around you. If your remote stopped working and you want to know if the batteries are fine or not, you may go to remotes and Bluetooth devices and press Amazon Fire TV remotes, where at the right hand side you can check the battery status. This is also a very useful option to magnify any small font on the screen. For that, you need to go to accessibility option and turn on screen magnifier. If you want, you can pause the screen here and you can read the instruction. The final feature, which is Amazon Silk browser. Using this browser, you can enjoy internet surfing in a giant screen. Though this is a preloaded app, still if you'd like to search for this web browser, you may go to search option and type SILK and the option would be right there. That's about it for today. I would come back soon with the interesting topics. If you like this video, please give this a like. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe, and thank you and take care of yourself. See you soon.